as we celebrate the whole month of September as the Maritime and Archipelagic Nation Awareness Month, or MANAMO. Please join us today as we launch the first episode of our cooking series, Seafood Connection, celebrating the bounty of the sea. For this episode, I will show you how to cook kinunot na isda, a traditional Filipino seafood dish originating from the Bicol province. Let's prepare our ingredients. We need 1 head of garlic cut into small pieces. One large onion, and a piece of ginger. We also need a malunggay leaves for this recipe. Kinunot is made of stingray fish, but today I'll be using a yellowfin tuna as substitute for stingray, as we conserve endangered species. In a pot, combine the tuna, one cup of water, and 1.5 cup of vinegar. Add the garlic, onion, ginger, and chilies. We also need a tablespoon of salt and pepper. Cover it and simmer for 20 minutes. Let's drain the water and let it cool. So at this point, our tuna is ready for flaking. In a medium heat, saute garlic and onion. Combine with the coconut milk and stir it continuously. After 5 minutes, we can add the flaked tuna. Now I'm adding 6 pieces of red chili. You can always adjust the proportion to suit the hotness of your dish. Now we can add the malunggay leaves, and let's add another tablespoon of salt and pepper. Simmer it until the coconut milk is almost dry. It's almost ready, so just take note that we will add the thick coconut cream. Just always add the kakang gata just before the dish is done. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. This is Lisa Maanyo, and watch out for the second episode of Seafood Connection, celebrating the bounty of the sea. Bye!